The first step is to grab 3 pieces of hair.
White lips, pale face, breathing in snowflakes, burnt lungs, sour taste.
The second step is to braid like you would normally braid.
Lights gone, days end.
The third step is to drop the bottom piece of hair and then add a piece of hair to the top part.
Strange men. They say she's in the class 18, stuck in her daydream. Been this way since 18, but lately her face.
Lastly, you do what you did to the first one, and then you braid on.
Like pastries, and they scream. The worst things in life come free to us, 'cause we're just under the upper hand. I'm going mad for a couple grams, and she don't wanna go outside tonight. And in a pipe she flies to the motherland, or sells love to another man. It's too cold